Alright, so here we are getting ready for a second customized magic band for the other person in the household here. He's getting the blue one. And on it, Pamela has taken Donald there and transferred it over. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but you can see how he's drawn in pencil, which is really awesome. Now I know she said she's going to have some difficulty because of the hat, because being blue, but she's doing the same process she did with her Ariel band if you watch that video. If not, she explains a lot of it, the whole process in there of what she does and what she uses. But she's pretty much using fingernail polish and drawing it on there. But it's a cheap way to get your own magic band, unique magic band. Any of the specialized ones are about $25 there, so this is going to be, you know, one of a kind, you know, stand out and pretty awesome. The Ariel one turned out really good, so I'm looking forward to seeing this one as well. Alright, we're going to see if Pamela let us take a peek at what she's doing here.
Alright, that's what I got so far.
So it looks like you got his hat drawn out, his eyes, his neck, hands, and body. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I mean, all that's really left is the beak, bow tie, and legs.
Yep.
Wow, that's gonna look amazing. Keep up the good work. Alright, so Pamela's just about done with Donald here. And what do you think? I think that looks pretty good. A hand drawn onto a magic band. Right now, she's taking the Mickey that's in the center and going over it with some white nail polish.
Yeah, I'm doing white nail polish first. And that's just so that we're going to do orange as the final color. Mm-hmm. And this way it'll be a brighter orange.
Okay. That way the blue doesn't bleed through.
Right.
Yeah, if you can see it on the side there, when she's holding it's kind of hard to see, but if you look at some of the white on him, it's got some of the blue bleeding through, which will happen unless you have a base coat on it. Nothing major. Like we said, this is a custom magic band, you know, one of a kind, make it your own. And wow, that's just amazing. So that's the finished product right there, other than the orange Mickey that she's going to put on there. And I think it looks pretty darn good. Can't wait to see what she's going to do with mine. I have the green one, which is Goofy.
Yeah.
That one should be a little bit more of a challenge for her. She's never drawn Goofy before. So we'll show you how that turns out as well.